Do you have a holiday party coming up? Are you planning a special event? Or do you want to just impress your boss at that special dinner party you're putting together? Welcome to Carving Fruit, fantastic original hand-carved designs specifically for your event. Let's go inside and see why they're the best. Hi, Tomas. So tell me all about Carving Fruit.
I studied in a hospitality school to become a chef, and I fell in love with carving. When we creating something for your event, we can use everything what is in a season. For example, like watermelons or pumpkin or small things, exotic fruits. It's so powerful, so your guests, they never gonna forget it.
First, Thomas and his team will meet with you to understand your event's needs. Then, they'll begin to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind pieces that not only look amazing, but taste delicious. How beautiful to have your name or logo carved specifically for you. Centerpieces for large tables, small plate appetizers, or you can get really creative and do soap or cheese to give away as a gift. Thomas has learned from the best carvers in the world, and little by little he's made his way up. From restaurants and special events to national TV shows and dinners for kings and queens. Now here's another. Thomas offers even more. He can come to your house or party and teach your guests how to carve beautiful small designs. Now that's something they won't forget.
We have a very special client. He was looking for something different that we don't normally do. So we brought Thomas to the table and everybody loved him. He always do this amazing centerpiece with a watermelon, but he was so professional, so humble, and an amazing artist.
So if you're having any kind of party or corporate event, at home or at a venue, give Carving Fruit a call. They'll help you create an unforgettable concept and experience. Curious to learn more? Click on the promo button below to see the amazing deal carved specially for you.